Let's get into it. So we're big believers in inclusion, and we believe our differences make us stronger, right? So we want to unlock the full team's potential so that everyone feels their value. The techniques we'll talk about today, they don't require a lot of training. You don't need to take people off their work and go into an offsite. These are things you can do during your work day. So we structure these in a way that these are things that you can continue to do without having to make it a big event. And hopefully we'll have some continuous growth. So just a quick story, my personal journey here and why this was so important to us. So when I was a kid, I remember the conversations in the kitchen between my mom and dad, and I knew what they were. It was my dad had gotten passed up for promotion yet again. And I remember the pain and the disappointment. And it's not that he didn't work hard, it wasn't smart. I mean, he had 3 master's degrees, and to me, he was out of the house all the time, but there was something missing. So when I was a teenager, I remember my dad said to me, make sure when you start working, you go out after work, you have a beer with your friends. And he thought that's the thing that was missing. So when I did start working and started managing people, I would find people that reminded me of my dad. Like smart people, just didn't feel comfortable in team settings. I'd work with them and try to find a project that they could do, something that they could do to showcase what they could do. Now the results were pretty amazing. 100% of the time, when they finally got up there, and it wasn't without delays and hesitations and anxiety, they got in front of their team and they presented what they wanted to present. 100% of the time, it was off the charts brilliant. But more importantly, I remember the look in their eyes, like after they were done, how powerful this was for them, and then how their work changed after this event. So started us on a journey of saying, how do we get people to participate? How do we get everybody on the team to move forward?